What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Clover, which has taken a little bit of a dip guys over the last 24 hours. It is down 22%, currently trading at just over 9 cents. So if you watched my previous update on Clover, I did expect it to take a little bit of a dip due to the fact of how much value it was gaining yesterday and the day before. It had to go for a price correction, and that is exactly what's happening right now. So we'll be going through what is the next target for Clover. Is it likely to dip down towards the 8 cents target or pump back up above 10-11 cents over the next couple of days? So going on to next week, how high and how low can Clover go? Is now the time to buy the dip? Is it time to sell it if you are still on a profit, or is it time to simply sit back, hold it going into 2025? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, the crypto has literally dipped down from the top tier level into the blue zone, into the dark green zone, and the next target is the green zone, or it can either resist and bounce back up, but we'll be going through that later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Clover, which is here in purple. However, Clover is still trading at a much higher value. That was due to the major pump over the last week. It is still up near about 200% guys over the last week, especially over the last few days, even after the 22% down, meaning the crypto is still performing very well, and the price correction that's happening right now was what expected, as I mentioned previously. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we can also see here Bitcoin has dipped down below $90,000, which has had a slight negative impact on the crypto market, and I did expect the crypto market to go for a little bit of a price correction towards the end of this week and early next week, which is exactly happening right now. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we have the blue and the orange line flat out going in a straight line. They're not looking bullish or bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Clover over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, according to the graph, Clover should be hovering around the 9 cents target. However, I am expecting more red candles over the coming hours. It should dip down just around the 8 cents value is what I'm expecting from Clover, and then it should potentially just bounce back up, heading over 9-10 cents in value by tomorrow afternoon, evening. So do expect quite of a wave, but at the moment the overall outcome for the next 12 hours seems to slightly be more on the negative side, as it is likely to carry on going for a price correction, meaning hitting more red candles. So moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? So the blue and the orange line are indeed looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected over the next 7 to 8 days, so by the end of next week. However, I am expecting Clover to hit more green candles by mid to end of next week, and it should bounce back up above 12 cents in value is where I'm expecting Clover to be trading at by the end of next week. Even though early to mid next week is likely to hit more red candles, dipping down in value, it should then recover, bouncing up to around 12 to 13 cents by the end of next week. Similarly, Bitcoin should also be heading towards $95,000 by mid to end of next week, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market is what my expectations are at the moment. So moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks guys, we have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, However, the lines are looking way too steep to be realistic, as you guys can see here. So essentially towards the very end of this year, early next year, I'm expecting Clover to be heading towards the bullish direction, heading closer to 23 to 24 cents. Let's say around 25 cents is where I'm expecting Clover to be trading at in January 2025, because I'm also expecting the crypto market to be in the bullish direction, heading over $100,000 is where I'm expecting Bitcoin to be trading at in December, and potentially even higher than that in January 2025, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. However, I do keep you guys updated on a daily basis, so if you guys want to stay in the loop on my predictions and takes on the crypto market, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So bringing back the Fibonacci scale, in my previous update I did expect the crypto to drop back down into the green zone, and it is currently on the way. It is dropping down from the top tier level blue zone, currently in the dark green zone, and it is likely to drop down into the green zone by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, and then essentially bounce back up into the dark green zone and into the blue zone over by early to mid next week. But again guys, it is crypto, it is a volatile market, so that is why I keep you guys updated on a daily basis. So heading back into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has dropped down quite a bit, 48% down in the last 24 hours, down to $438 million. The reason is quite obvious, is because of the dip that's taken place over the last 24 hours. Majority of the people are just holding back, waiting for it to either drop further so that they can buy the dip, or waiting for it to pump back up to take out their profits. So at the moment, Clover is going for a price correction. A lot of people have been saying Clover is likely to hit the dollar mark, which I have been disagreeing with, by the end of the year. Reason being is the dollar mark is, well, it is possible, but it's not really realistic, and it won't be as sustainable, because if it does hit the dollar mark, it should essentially just crash back down, which makes a project not sustainable. But let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting Clover to go in 2024, and are you guys buying it, selling it, or holding on to it? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.